Hello! In this segment, I will show you how to define hybrid plans in Accumulus. Hybrid plans can accommodate very sophisticated pricing scenarios. If you have not viewed our other pricing model tutorials, you should take a look at those first to see if a simpler pricing implementation may be sufficient. Let's get started. First, we will head over to the Product section to view our existing product called the Secure Cloud Storage Service, as well as the Portal add-on product. We will select the Secure Cloud Storage Service and add a new plan for it. Let's call the new plan Enterprise Secure Cloud Storage Monthly. The basic recurring fee for the Enterprise Secure Cloud Storage Service in this plan is $199.99 per month. There is no setup fee for this and there is no cancellation fee. However, there is an additional user fee which we can implement using the user license resource previously added to the service. 10 users are included for free in the base price, and any additional user is $25 per user. Included in the base price is also 100 GB of disk storage. We use the disk store resource on the Secure Cloud Storage Service to add pricing for additional storage, if any. From 101 GB to 1 TB, we define a price of $1 per additional gigabyte, and anything above 1 TB is charged at 80 cents per gigabyte. Finally, we will allow an Enterprise Portal product to be added to subscriptions using this plan. For this, we will enable the bundle view and add the Portal product. The Portal product is optional and can only be added into a Secure Cloud Storage subscription once. So, we define the minimum quantity as 0 and the maximum quantity as 1. There is a setup fee of $100 for the Portal, a recurring fee of $50 per month, and a cancellation fee of $50. We can now save the plan. In this plan, we utilized product bundling, recurring fees, allocated usage in the form of user licenses, metered usage in the form of cloud disk usage, setup and cancellation fees for add-ons involving extra work during startup and shutdown. It demonstrates the power of combining various pricing elements to implement sophisticated pricing strategies that can both account for underlying costs as well as incentivize increasing use of your products and services. That's it. Take a look at our other pricing models to continue to learn how you can use pricing for your product or service strategically.